MIRMAID, part 4. When I click here, we get another message to do mirror loop function calls. If I press M, I can draw as per usual. Let's look at the code deltas for video 424. So anything marked with the 424 in the margin. In the MIRMAID function section, within the MIRMAID editor put U32 function, we've added a whole bunch of code. So this is a look before you leap guard. OK. If OK is truthy, we keep on doing code. Otherwise, we stop doing code. This is a carryover for the tile size exponent in the layer. And then this right here is calculating the lateral span for whatever tile size we're using. So conceptually, we have a multi-layered tile map with different power of 2 tile sizes. And we want to know how big the X or Y axis is for whatever tile size we're using. Then we want the global max index. And we're going to calculate that by taking the 5x5 grid of level packs that's within a, 5x5 grid of levels within a level pack, multiplied by the 3x3 grid of level packs within our renderable space, multiplied by this lateral span calculated up here, -1 because we start counting at 0. That's the global max index. Now, this global max index can carry over to max index GTX and GTY so that we can do some bounds checking. This right here is the lateral span of a single level pack rather than this being the lateral span of the dumb, but -1, right? Because we got this -1, because this is a max index, not a span, but this is a span. Down here, we're going to do some bounds checking, and we're going to make sure that GTX, GTY is within the bounds of where we can set tiles. If it is, we're going to set a truthy value for OK, and if it isn't, we're going to set a falsy value for OK. And if we hit this branch of code, it means that GTX or GTY was undefined or nan or some weird-ass value, and we need to fix that and figure out why the input GTX, GTY was undefined or nan. If everything is still OK, we're going to do some mirroring functions depending on what type of mirror setting we want to do. But we're going to do that in a different video. Here's what we did previously. Here's our footnotes. And then here's what we did in this video. I got to get out of here. If you want a longer description, go here. You are here. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail.